Hey guys, Alien 2006 here. Today is Saturday, November 5th. Downloaded a bunch of pictures yesterday. I didn't get a chance to make the video, and then I also downloaded a bunch of pictures today. Not going to go through all of them just because time constraints. I don't want this video to be as longer than it needs to be. Just to give you an idea, let's go ahead and pop this one open. It's only showing you one familiar shape. Let me zoom into it. There it is. Zoom out so you can see. There's that shape, how close it is to the sun. There's the date from yesterday. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and skip some of these and go down. Here's an object. Again, there's the date. I'm going to bring this one up so we could all see it. There's the object. Again, look how close it is. I'm not even going to mess with this right now. Look at that. Okay? I just want to get to some really good ones that I downloaded. So I'm not even close to coming down to the 5s yet. So I'm going to go down a little further. This one is showing you 1, 2, 3 objects. Let me bring it up. Again, you can download these yourself from the Soho NASA site. There's the date, there's the timestamp. Object 1 looks familiar to the one that was down here, but you can see that outline of that like W shape. Let me zoom in a little more so you can see that what I'm talking about there. So I don't know what that is. So there's 1. There's number 2. Now this one I will mess with the lighting just so you can see the object a little better. Sharpen it, bring it out. There it is. And the other one was, I believe, up here. Oops. There it is, familiar shape. So 1, 2, 3 objects. Reset it, boom, done. Keep going to the next one. This one's showing an object down here. Again, just showing you that these things don't go away. 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. Let's go a little more in depth because we're getting more objects now. So there's the date, there's the time. Object 1 is right here. We can go ahead and bring up that level so you can see it a little clearer. Familiar shape, definitely. Reset. Let's go to the next one that's over here. There it is. There's the date. There it is. That same shape. And then, so that was 1, 2, there's 2 on top. 3 and 4. There's that shape facing in this direction. There's that one, and there's that one. Now you're thinking, oh, there's just double exposed there from one end to the other. Okay, look where they are. This one is right almost in the center. This one is about there. So as I zoom out, object, this object is way over here and is facing in a totally different trajectory. This one here, same thing, is over here. So this is like right here, and this one is over here. So those aren't the same objects. They are objects, but they are not the same ones. Alright, let's keep going. Let me go down here to a couple of the last ones from yesterday. Object in there. Okay. Nothing major. Here we go. Object in there. Embedded. Ooh, look how close this thing is. Let's zoom in. Look how close it is to this, to the surface. It's very close. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. And you can see that same little shape with the X coming out. Let's go ahead and take away that heliosphere, and there's the object, clearly. So there you go. Interesting stuff, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and finish yesterday off. And we start with today. Here's one object up here. And it seems to be facing a different trajectory, but it does look like that similar shape. There it is. Let's go ahead and bring that level up. And there we go. So that's from today. Let's bring that date. 5/11/2011. The timestamp is 26:30. But what's really cool about today's pictures, I got some really cool stuff. First of all, look how big these things are. Let me zoom it so you can get the time and date. There it is, 11/5/56:30. Look at that. That thing is big. There it is. See that familiar center shaped like that. I don't know what it is, and it's definitely there. Some look very, very big, some look very, very small, depending where they're shot. This one shows an image here within the heliosphere. This one is way up here. Let's just leave it as is and zoom. Let's go to the top. There's that shape. Let's go to the other one. There's that familiar shape. So let's go ahead and bring out some more light. There it is. Right? There's that one. Date. Let's go down to that bright sun. There it is. 5/11. The timestamp 1/16/30. And almost done, guys. Almost done. So that's reset on its own. And let me actually go here because there's quite a bit of view for today. Object here, object here. So again, not going to even enlarge it, but just showing you that they're there. Alright, because I want to get to the really awesome picture of that. Here's an object here, seems to be heading this direction. Again, you guys can clearly see that it's there. Alright. Object here. Again, within that heliosphere, distorting. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Look at that. Definitely bright center. You see it. Like I took away all the heliosphere around it, but you can definitely see there's something there. There it is. Alright, reset. And let's go ahead and close it and go to the next one. Pretty soon it'll show up. There's that big object again. Not gonna waste the time trying to make this video quick. There's another huge object here, an object here. I like this one, so let's take a look at it because it is pretty big and you definitely see a lot of distortion there. And let's zoom in. There it is. Very big, very bright center. There's the timestamp. 11/5/2011, 2:46:29. And look at that. That thing is huge. You can see that bright. Even if I take away all of it, that bright center is there. There it is. That's not the one that I'm excited about, guys. It's coming up. This is the one. Object. Very long object. This one looks very familiar, just like the other ones. This is the one I'm very, very interested in. So let's zoom in. Let's get that timestamp for you. There's the object, the other one, bright center. So 11/5/2011, 3:06:29. Alright, so when you go to the site, you can see it for yourself. Here it is. I haven't done anything yet here. Let me zoom out. There it is. Doesn't look like a lightning bolt to me. Does look like a solid structure. Look at that. Let's go ahead and do that. Take away that whole heliosphere. It is gone. So, what is it? I don't know. Let's reset it so you can see it back. There it is. A lot of bright surface area. Look at that. To me, this looks more like a cigar-shaped type object that is reflecting a lot of light from the top. A lot of it. So that was the image I got very excited about today, guys. I hope you're enjoying this. Again, I don't know what they are. I don't know what they're doing. Hopefully it is something good, like keeping these CMEs away from the Earth and from causing us harm. And it looks like there's something distorting here. Not too sure, but just in case. That one's a little harder to decipher, but let's see if we bring in a little light and take away some of the heliosphere. Wow, look at that, guys. There's an object there. I took away all that. Yeah, there's something there. Definitely. It's distorting, and look how close this thing is to this. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, so that was the big picture that I had. Let's keep going because I want to show you some other stuff here. 1, 2, 3 objects. And again, they're getting big, some are small. They're within the heliosphere. They're in the outer heliosphere, or out of it completely. Let me bring in some light so you can see. There's that familiar shape. And again, another object here. Bring it up so you can get it away from that thing. So there we go. There it is. And we got just 2 more to go, guys, promise. This one, I love this picture because it shows me 4 objects inside the heliosphere. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 2 separate objects. That's an object and that's an object. So let's start with the one that's far away. And I'll show you the timestamp after. There it is within that heliosphere. Let's take it away. And you see that same shape, guys. There it is. You can see that bright center. No denying. Let me take it away. You see it. It's distorting. It's in that heliosphere. So let's go save those 2 for last. But look at this one. This one seems to be distorting. It looks like some sort of indentation as we go in. It looks like it's totally distorting this whole area. Let's see what we can do. There it is. Definitely something there. Again. Let's go up here to the 2 objects that are very close to each other. This one seems to be spinning, distorting all this. I don't know what this is, but I'm very excited about with this image as well. I reset everything. Let me zoom out so you see where they are. There's that one, that one, that one. Zoom in again. Let's get that area cleared out, see what we can come up with. Object, definitely is still there. Object. This is 2 separate objects here, guys. Definitely 2 objects. I don't believe this is one solid structure. You've got 2 different points of light here, and there seems to be a little room in between them. This is distorting all this. This is distorting this. It looks like there is a little room between them. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. Again, that's what I see. I'm not saying anything else except what I see and what I'm showing you in each and every one of these pictures. I'm not judging anything or anyone. Just take a look, and whatever you think they are, let me know. There's an object here way within the heliosphere, one up here. Again, that familiar shape. That's way up here. Look at that. And then the one inside the heliosphere here. I'm not even going to bother with it. We've seen plenty of these. I only got 2 more to go, okay? So here's this object. There's an object here. There's an object here. So 3 objects. Let's get to this one. It's bright. Zoom in. There it is. There we go. Something there. There's the time, date. And you need 1 more to go, guys, and this video is done. But I just wanted to show you all the different things going on. Look at these 2 objects here, very close to each other, but away from the heliosphere. Let's go ahead and open it up. Zoom in, date, there it is, 5/11/2011, 1656/29, object here, object here. This one seems very small compared to this one, but the same shape. And again, we can bring it in even more to show it a little better. There we go, same shape. Small shape, big shape, or whatever they are. There it is, guys. November 5th, 2011, 1656/29. That's the last image that I downloaded. So there you go. Everyone, have a wonderful day and be good humans. Thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate it very much.